Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing. Confirm you can unlock the phone and access app settings. Once ready, open Android or iPhone settings and find apps or privacy, then go to WhatsApp. Tap permissions and explicitly revoke microphone access. You do this because removing microphone permission prevents the app from recording audio while preserving messaging. Make sure you don't disable other essential permissions like contacts. If prompted, confirm the change. The app may warn about voice notes, but proceed to enforce the restriction. Once done with permission removal, force stop or close WhatsApp to ensure the change takes effect. Next, go to battery or app background settings and disable background app refresh or background activity for WhatsApp so it can't regain temporary mic access. On Android, also remove WhatsApp from any battery optimization whitelist. On iPhone, toggle background app refresh off. You do this because apps can sometimes request mic access during active sessions. Limiting background privileges reduces that chance and locks the permission state. Now test by opening a chat and attempting a voice note. WhatsApp should prompt that microphone is unavailable or the record button will fail. If recording still works, restart the device to apply changes and retest. If it persists, remove and reinstall WhatsApp, then immediately deny microphone permission during setup. Make sure to back up chats first. Key troubleshooting tip: if the mic remains usable, check for device-level accessibility or security apps that grant mic access and disable those exceptions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.